Hey guys, we are looking at the Gonex IPX7 waterproof dry bag. So this is awesome, keeping all your stuff within there super dry. I've just unboxed this, but I've had bags like this before. This feels like a awesome quality bag. Love having these for those beach days. Maybe you're on a boat, kayaking, specifically for me, for paddle boarding. Maybe you're rafting, etc. You get the point. It's just going to keep your goodies within it dry. So here's a little look at it. You've got a pocket right here, zips up. Maybe you want your keys or phone in there. At the side, somewhere where you can, I don't know, put your name tag in there or something. And then water bottle on this side. There is some clips here as well to seal it up. Just up top here, they actually have the instructions right on the bag itself. Push down to force out excess air, roll down more than 3 times, clip the buckles to close, and hook the straps. So I'll just do that again, do it back up. It does come with a little mini bag as well. You can be extra secure with the extra bag here. Same technique for closing that. Make sure you roll it up 3 times and then clip it closed. There is a little I don't know what you call this, but hook, essentially. You can clip that to the outside of your bag if that's more convenient. And then it also comes with some straps as well, shoulder straps, make it a little bit more comfortable if you don't want to wear it in the backpack mode. So awesome. You can really kind of adjust this to your needs. Specifically, it says 500 PVC, so very heavy waterproofing on here. It'll definitely keep your things dry.